No matter how long a Gujarati has lived in any corner of the world, whenever they come home, the first thing they crave to eat is this, Gujarati Kadhi and Khichdi. Kadhi Khichdi is not just a dish for us Gujaratis, it's an emotion too. Soft, buttery Gujarati Khichdi and sweet Kadhi, just like us Gujaratis. So first, we'll make the Khichdi, and then we'll make the Kadhi for the Khichdi. Here, I have taken this yellow Moong Dal and soaked it for 3 to 4 hours. Instead of this yellow Moong Dal, you can also use the Moong Dal with skin. Or you can also use arhar, that is tur dal. To make khichdi, I'm adding a little ghee to a pressure cooker, and I add a little oil along with it. As soon as the ghee gets hot, we will add 2 cloves, mustard seeds, and cumin seeds to it. I have taken 1 teaspoon of each, and at this stage, if you like, you can also add bay leaf, cinnamon, or anything else. Once the mustard and cumin seeds start to crackle, I also add a pinch of Asafoetida. And now we will add these soaked red rice. And now the rice has been added. These soaked red rice, it was 1 cup. And like I said before, Gujarati Khichdi is a very simple, homely dish, so it's different in every household. And the lentils too, I told you about the variations. You can use any lentil in this, but the rest of the procedure is the same. Whenever you make this really soft, watery khichdi, make sure to follow a certain ratio. For the amount of lentils and rice you have, add 3 times that amount of water. So today, I have taken 1 cup of lentils and rice, so I will add 3 cups of water to it. And this khichdi isn't very spicy. We will only add turmeric and salt to it. Let's mix all these things well, and now we'll pressure cook it. Cook it on medium heat until it whistles 3 to 4 times. While the khichdi is pressure cooking, let's prepare something else. For the tangy and sweet, delicious Gujarati Kadhi, I have taken almost 1 cup of sour yogurt here. If you use yogurt that is about 2 days old and has a slight tanginess, that's the best for Kadhi. But if you live abroad and don't have that kind of yogurt, you can add the juice of half a lemon to 1 cup of yogurt. First of all, I lightly whisk this yogurt, and now I add it after whisking. About 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Now this is the gram flour. We mix it well with the yogurt so that there are no lumps left. I add crushed ginger and green chili to this, and now let's add them. We will add water little by little, and approximately a little more than 2 cups of water will be used. See, this is the mixture for the kadhi. Keep it this thin, because when we cook the kadhi, kadhi also means that it thickens as it cooks. It becomes thicker later. So first, keep this mixture thin. And in many places, this is exactly how kadhi is made. They add it to the tempering, but I don't make it that way, because then it isn't Gujarati kadhi. Do you know where you get the best one? When it's made at weddings, that's when it's the best, and the wedding people, anytime. They don't add this mixture to the tempering. First, they cook this mixture and then add the tempering to it. So we will make it exactly like that too. Now, I strain this mixture and take it in a big pot. Make sure to use a big pot because we need to boil this kadhi really well. See, this is why straining is important. If there are any lumps of gram flour left, or if there are big pieces of chili or ginger, they all get removed because the texture of the kadhi should be completely smooth. Now, I need to cook the kadhi over medium heat, stirring continuously until it comes to a boil twice. If you don't stir it, the kadhi will stick to the bottom, and also the yogurt and gram flour will separate. At this point, I'll add salt to it. And what is Gujarati kadhi without sugar? So I'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let's go. The kadhi has come to a boil 2 or 3 times, and the gram flour is also cooked properly. You'll notice that the texture of the kadhi should be like this. A little thin, because Gujarati kadhi is not very thick. So now I'll set it aside. And now let's prepare the tempering for the kadhi. And after that, bring the kadhi to a boil again. For the tempering, we'll use a small piece of dalchini, half a teaspoon of whole methi seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. First, I take a little bit of ghee. Kadhi always tastes better with ghee, not with oil. So, I'll add it now. 3 cloves, a small piece of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of whole fenugreek seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. As soon as the mustard seeds and cumin seeds start to crackle, we'll add a pinch of Asafoetida. This is totally optional, but I personally like it a lot. And finally, we'll add curry leaves. And we'll add this hot tempering to the curry. There's also a dried red chili in the tempering for the kadhi. I forgot to add it earlier, so I'm adding it now at the end. All right, the Gujarati kadhi is ready. Let's turn off the stove and check the khichdi as well. I'll add it to the kadhi at the end. Cilantro. Let's open the khichdi cooker as well. Let's open it and check it once. Look at this. The delicious and soft khichdi is ready. Let's quickly plate it up and serve it with the kadhi. Soft khichdi always tastes best with ghee, so let's add a little ghee on top. And whenever you enjoy khichdi, having some pickle is a must, so let's add a little on the side. Take some tangy mango pickle and there you have it. Delicious, tasty, hot Gujarati khichdi and kadhi are ready. With love, we've made Gujarati khichdi and kadhi. May God bless us with love as well.